Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm from BHG Marine here in Nymington, and today I'm going to be showing you around this 2021 Jeanneau Merry Fisher 895 Offshore. This particular boat has just arrived from the factory. She's absolutely brand new, still sporting. It's shrink wrap from delivery, but she is ready for the new season, ready for an April delivery. This particular boat is a nice high specification. It does come with the brand new Yamaha Helmex controls. These are drive-by-wire controls, twin engine, new design, much easier to use than the previous design with fingertip adjustment. The shorter control arms are much easier to use. We also see this new control box has the single lever control. This button here, press it, allows you to operate both engines with just the left-hand control lever. It makes handling the boat when you're actually out running at speed much easier, allowing this control lever to synchronize the RPMs of both engines together. Of course, when you come back into the marina, you can use the individual levers to maneuver the boat round on the spot and get you into your marina berth. The gauge also comes with, the new Yamaha system also comes with a new Yamaha gauge display. This is the Yamaha CL5 touchscreen display. We haven't got batteries in this boat yet, so I can't show you it up and running, but it's completely touchscreen. It's a system that's actually built and designed by Garmin, so it's a very high quality, responsive touchscreen. Gives you all your fuel figures, fuel flow, fuel used, engine hours, maintenance, service log, things like oil pressures, water temperatures, absolutely everything the engine's got to tell you will be displayed up on that display there. This particular boat's got the Garmin EchoMap Ultra HD 92SV. That's the 9-inch touchscreen EchoMap unit. Latest unit available from Garmin. Supports all the latest fish finder, side view, down view, clear view, as well as traditional sonar. The boat comes with a traditional standard transducer, but you could of course upgrade that should you want some clearer fish finding images. For 2021, they've also shifted to side power bow thruster systems rather than the quick. So this one's got the new bow thruster system. We've got the Fusion RA70 stereo system. That's all linked up to the GPS as well. It has Bluetooth, and we've also got a USB in here as well. Coming down, 2021 boats also have this knee support to stop you accidentally flicking the switches with your knee when you're at the helm seat. And we've also opted for the Zipwake's automatic trim tab system on this boat as well. So these are completely automatic interceptors as opposed to the traditional trim tab systems that you get as standard. It's completely automatic. There are various videos about it on the internet, but basically it has a built-in gyroscope, built-in compass, built-in GPS, so it knows how fast the boat's going. It knows whether the boat's rocking from one side to the other. It will always keep the boat perfectly level and will automatically trim the boat for you as well. And then finally here we have the new Yamaha switch panel. So we've opted for the upgraded upholstery on this boat. Seeing as it was our stock boat, we wanted it to have the latest and best upholstery. So we've got the new leatherette style upholstery, which looks really smart, alongside the standard walnut wood. Nice option to have, well worth the money. We've opted for the Webasto Heating on this boat, so the heating controller is just down here. Again, I can't show you up running, but that's a diesel heating system with various outlets around the boat. The one in the saloon is just under here, heating the dinette area. Speakers here, and the lighting for the saloon. We have the gas hob on this galley rather than the electric. Means you can still have a cup of tea and warm up some food when you're out and about rather than being restricted to shore power. We don't have the microwave on this one, but there is a power socket in the back, so a microwave can easily be added should you want one. Fridge pretty standard spec on these nowadays. And it's the new style fridge. A nice feature on the new 895s is the glass panels into the two cabins, flooding the cabins with light from above. So for 2021, we've got the new upholstery, which is like a silver fabric. It's really nice, very, very soft to the touch. I like it a lot. It looks really good. It really brightens up the forward cabin, especially with the end panel at the head of the bed. We do have the option for the overhead lockers in here, as you can see. Essential option in my opinion. Having those 6 lockers all the way around the boat is really, really worthwhile. And then we've got the heating outlet in here as well. Into the heads. A wet room affair. So the tap on the sink will pull out and operate as a shower. And there is a pump out just the other side of the door. Sea toilet there. A little cupboard space. Towel holders and mirror. There's even a heating outlet in here as well, the black fitting just there. Second cabin, again, we've got that big window flooding the cabin with light. Still got the shrink wrap over the window, so it is a bit dark in here at the moment. This cabin's got a few of the cushions and things in here at the moment, and the canopy covers as well, but again, you can see that upholstery, heating outlet there as well, and all the services are at the end of this end of the bed. Should also say this particular boat is fitted with the optional horn, as you can see. So we've got the LED deck lighting, anchor windlass, horn, the accessory switch, the water pump, the bilge pumps and the nav lights. And then up here we have the windscreen wipers and the screen wash. Being a later spec boat, we do also have the hot water switch, very important. That allows you to turn on and off the hot water from up in the saloon, instead of having to go all the way down into the bedroom to switch it off down there, as the earlier boats did. Out on deck, we have the full option for the U-shaped seating saloon. So the bench seat across the back, which is standard fit, and then these 2 seats here, which create the U-shape, which are the option, along with the table. You can also drop that table down with 2 infill cushions, which converts this area into a nice, lovely sunbed. Similarly, we can also drop the table down at the dinette and convert that out into a day bed or a third berth if you want to sleep more people in here. There are curtains for every window and the wheelhouse. And we also have blinds for up here as well. A mosquito blind and a blackout blind. We've opted not to put teak on our display boat. The thinking behind it is we are seeing more and more people wanting to go with flexi teak. As you may be able to see about there in the distance with flexi teak. So we're ordering most of our stock boats without teak now and opting to retrofit the flexi teak. You could of course take the boat without anything, just use it with a white non-slip deck, or we can fit the flexi teak. We can even retrofit the real teak should you want to. Currently it's just the platforms which have the real teak. We can actually remove the real teak from the platforms should you want matching flexi teak. Gas locker, inside door. Anchor windlass in the bow locker, of course. The big pantograph wipers and screen wash. We've also got screen demisters, as you can see, for the windscreen. And up on the top, We've got the stand-up paddleboard rack, so you can use that for light inflatable kayaks or stand-up paddleboards. The VHF antenna and the horn up here as well. Below in the cockpit deck locker, we also have the option for the ladder to help you safely down into that locker. So that's a brief overview of our 2021 Jeanneau Merry Fisher 895. For further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. All of our details can be found in the text below. Thank you for watching. Bye.